Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Exclusive Business Marketing, and they're looking for a social media content creator and management. It pays from $15 per hour. We're a nationwide marketing agency that manages multiple social media accounts in various industries. They're looking for someone who can manage 20 to 40 accounts per month. You will be responsible for creating content, stock provided by client, created by our in-house video and graphic designers. Posting on our social media accounts, posts, stories, reels, etc. 2 to 3 times per week on average. Some accounts require more attention than others. You will be responsible for social media ad creation, targeting, and full management as well as weekly posting. This is a full-time position, and with most of our staff being able to manage up to 40 accounts per month. The pay is negotiable based on your experience and performance. This job requires the person to be creative and communicative directly and sometimes often with our clients. Job types are full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, and internship. It pays from $15 an hour. Some of the benefits include employee assistance program, employee discount, flexible schedule, professional development assistance, and referral program. Schedule, there's 10, 12, and 8-hour shifts. Day shifts, holidays, Monday through Friday, night shifts, on-call, overtime, some weekend availability, and some supplemental pay such as bonus pay, commission pay, sign-in bonus, and tips. Some of the application questions will be, do you have WordPress website designing experience, and do you have experience with Google AdWords? Also for the experience, they prefer 1 year of social media content creation preferred, and 1 year of social media ad management also preferred. Language English, and this job is fully remote. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, we'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, it's okay. Just subscribe and hit the notification bell for this channel because we're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day so you find the best work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.